guys, my first Copart buy. Nothing special, just a 2012 Chrysler 200. Undercarriage damage, couldn't really see much from the pictures, but this is also a vehicle for testing, so all that really doesn't matter. Anyways, I've never bought from Copart before. I've had an account with them for like over a year now. I've always wanted to buy something, but I'm curious to how the process will go down. Got the trailer in the back, got my cashier's check in the center console. We'll pick up when I get there. Hopefully it'll be a pretty smooth process, won't take too long, and they'll forklift that thing right on the trailer and I'll be out of there. So come along with me as we go by a Chrysler from Copart. There it is, start of Copart. This place is huge. Damn, we got people buying cars, coming out here to this little empty lot to try to get them going. That's crazy. Look at that. Alright, let's figure out where to go now. Dang, here we are. Ah, let me in, bro. Dang. I don't even know where to go, but I hope this is right. I'm a first time Coparter here. I'm gonna just pull up. Hopefully this is what I do here. This is exciting stuff, man. Maybe one day I'll be buying a Ferrari from this place. All right, let's go get this thing paid for. All right, well, I got my title stuff. My name's been called, going through the gate, and hopefully they'll be loading it up pretty soon. Not too bad, didn't take too much time. Pretty simple process so far. All right, pretty cool. All right, here we go. Dang, I'm inside the gates. There's so many cars. Look at this. SLT GMC. Oh man, this is like heaven. There's a vet C4 right there. All right, pulling out a Copart now. First auction buy is a success, I think. It was listed as undercarriage damaged, and it just looks like it's got a broken control arm. So I'm gonna slap a control arm on it, probably take it to Yellow Belly and blow it up with some nitrous. So hell yeah, it's got the V6 in it too. But that's a wrap on Copart. Hopefully I'll buy something else from them soon. Maybe something cooler. Alright. Okay, we got the auction Chrysler 200 back at the shop. Broken lower control arm. So, what I found out is that said control arm that was broken was cast steel. So what did I do? I welded that thing up, man. Yeah, put some really sloppy welds on that thing. Full disclosure, this car will not be on the streets. I really just need to get it off the trailer. That's the only way I know how. But I'm not gonna go buy a control arm just for this thing to get wrecked. So, we'll see if this thing will start here in a minute. All right. This is greatness. This welded lower control arm. It's back on there. There it is. Looks all pretty straight. At least straight enough to get it off the trailer. See if this thing will run next. Okay, will the auction Chrysler 200 start? Charge the battery overnight? Let's find out. Yes! Haha! Dang! No check engine lights. All right. All sounds pretty good. Sweet. See if it'll go into gear. Will it move? And it moves backwards. And it moves forwards. Yes! That is a win. All right.